Volkswagen's all-electric bestseller, the ID.3, is now coming to the market with a comprehensive upgrade. It comes with a fresh exterior design featuring optimized air cooling openings and large painted surfaces for a confident and friendly look. The range of colors has been extended by new hues, including dark olivine green. It also boasts high-quality and sustainable materials that reflect Volkswagen's strategy for its all-electric ID family. Travel Assist has also been upgraded. It now comes with adaptive cruise control, allowing vehicle control from 0 km per hour up to top speed, as well as lane assist for lane keeping. The optional We Connect ID app enables the transfer of points of interest to the car. Charging is made easy with simple plug-and-charge functions, where one only needs to plug in the charging cable at a charging station for authentication and start charging instantly without any hassle or extra steps. Volkswagen has developed an intelligent electric vehicle route planner that suggests dynamic charging stops taking into account individual charge station capacity, so you can reach your destination quickly without worrying about running out of charge during your journey. Volkswagen is forging ahead on its journey towards becoming an emissions-free mobility service provider. In the short time since it launched the ID family, over 600,000 vehicles based on the modular electric drive platform have been delivered globally. This includes a range of 6 different ID models, with production taking place in Zwickau, Dresden, and from autumn 2023, Wolfsburg. The new Volkswagen ID.3 has an interior that is sure to impress, thanks to its superior quality, sustainable materials, and animal-free approach. Featuring modern design and precise contrasting seams for a feeling of luxury, the ID.3 uses Art Velour's eco microfiber material, made up of 71% recyclate plastic, which gives it the same look, feel, and durability as conventional materials. Plus, customer suggestions were taken into consideration to upgrade features such as soft foam-backed surfaces in the cockpit and remodeled interior door trims with more generous surfaces. Experience a whole new level of sustainable driving with the Volkswagen ID.3. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.